Kumusta ang operation ng DSWD sa Mayon?
Alert level 3 ngayon si Mayon. Nagkaroon ng crater glow. Mayroon ng mga pyroclastic na mga materials.
Yeah.
Of course, yung term natin na nagbanaag.
Yes.
Banaag.
Oo.
And ibig sabihin ng alert 3 ay tendency towards hazardous eruption. So with that, with the directive of the President, of course, our Secretary is naka-ready ang DSWD to support. We are in the three fields actually. One is in camp coordination and camp management. Second is the provision of food and non-food items. And third is the management of internally displaced population. So
Sa'yo yung tatlo. Ikaw
tatlo,
lahat yun, yung tatlong yun.
kasama lahat sa Disaster Response Management Group.
Okay. Pero yung tatlong yun, pwedeng simultaneous na ginagawa yun
That is
or
correct.
step by step yun?
That is correct. Sabay-sabay yan.
Sabay-sabay.
Okay.
Oh.
So nung nagkaroon tayo ng evacuation center, pumasok na yung food and non-food items natin. So we provided our family food boxes. We provided yung describe natin dito yung ready-to-eat food.
Yung dinala mo rito.
Yes, correct.
Okay.
Then at the same time, we monitor yung evacuation center as part of our camp coordination and camp management with the local government unit.
Opo.
And with the directive of the Secretary, ay nagkaroon na rin ng preparation for a tent city. So nag-deploy na rin tayo ng 100 tents para in preparation kung mag-expand pa or kailangan mag-add ng mga evacuation centers.
As we speak, gaano karami ba mga kababayan natin kailangan ng tulong doon?
Well, ang total reported affected families natin is already at 1,143
Families or individuals?
Individuals natin is 4,000.
Marami.
4,139 affecting 13 barangays.
Oo.
Yung mga local government na affected dito, of course, is sa Tabaco
Palibot,
City,
Tabaco.
Malilipot, we have Ginubatan, Kamalig, and Ligao City.
So 5 lang?
5. Ito yung na-identify ngayon.
Oo.
Medyo familiar din ako sa mga lugar being the former regional director of Bicol.
Galing ka ba? Akala ko may sa Iloilo ka.
But I was assigned in Bicol for 1 year and a half.
So familiar ka sa area.
And the prayer ko noon is walang pumutok si Mayon.
Kasi napakaganda ng Mayon. Pag tinignan
beautiful,
mo, very beautiful.
na volcano.
But deadly. Beautiful but deadly si Mayon. Ano po? Pero
Yes.
mas maigi na yung ganyan na parang
Tuloy-tuloy,
nadaloy. hindi yung ganon.
isang eruption na malaki. So with this, of course, ready ang DSWD to provide.
Correct. Oo.
Before the eruption, before this unrest, we already have around 100,000 plus family food boxes stockpiled sa Region 5.
Okay.
And with the directive of the Secretary, we will increase this to 250,000 by next week.
Okay.